Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling how to check a PCV valve in 2025. If your car is acting up with symptoms like rough idling, excessive oil use, or even poor fuel economy, the PCV valve might be the hidden culprit. This small but mighty component, known as the positive crankcase ventilation valve, helps recirculate harmful gases back into your engine to reduce emissions and keep things running smoothly. It's a quick check that can save you time and money. Let's dive in. First off, safety first. Park your car on a flat surface, turn off the engine, and let it cool down completely. You'll need basic tools like a screwdriver, pliers, and possibly a vacuum gauge. Now, step 1. Locate the PCV valve. It's usually found on the valve cover or intake manifold. Check your owner's manual for your specific vehicle model. Step 2. Carefully remove the valve. Use your pliers to gently disconnect it from the hose. Once it's out, inspect it visually. Look for any cracks, buildup of gunk, or signs of wear. If it passes this test, move on to step 3, the shake test. Give it a good shake. If you hear a rattling sound, that's a positive sign it's working. For a more thorough check, step 4 involves a vacuum test. Attach a vacuum gauge to the valve and apply suction. If it holds the vacuum without leaking, you're good to go. But if it fails, it's time to replace it with a new one from your local auto parts store. Reinstall the valve securely and start your engine to ensure everything's running smoothly. Regularly checking your PCV valve can prevent bigger issues and improve your car's performance. If you're ever unsure or uncomfortable, don't hesitate to take it to a professional mechanic. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more DIY car tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay safe and happy driving.